Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Jimmy and you're watching Jimboyrulez. In today's video, we're going to install some more new age product garage cabinets. So without any further ado, let's dive straight into it. So as I mentioned, we're going to see phase 3 of my garage. We did phase 1, phase 2. Both the phases had me installing new age product garage cabinets. That's Bold 3.0. Those videos I'm going to link in the description below because those are step-by-step guide to installing the new age product garage cabinets. Now I don't think you guys need to see it all over again for the third time. I'm going to quickly show you that but not go into much of detail. For those detailed videos, check out the description. But before we do that, I think there is an apology overdue. I do sincerely apologize for disappearing for nearly 2 months, and I think that it was much needed because I'm new to YouTube and I'm still learning, and I was not able to figure out the sound in my videos. And no matter what I did, I had a lot of trouble figuring out what was I doing wrong. So in the last 2 months when I did not post any videos, I tried my level best to figure out sound. So that was the reason why I had disappeared for 2 months. I had a lot to learn and I enrolled for Skillshare. I'll link the website in the description below as well. So Skillshare is a website that has tons of courses. A lot of YouTubers talk about it. For me, it was something that was much more needed rather than some kind of a sponsorship or anything. They don't sponsor me, but there is an affiliate link that I might put in the description. And the reason why I'm doing it is because it actually helped me learn and figure out my mistakes that I was making in my videos. So do check it out. The first month or 2 are free. So if you wanted to see, there are courses on absolutely everything. Anyway, getting back to the garage cabinets. So let's finish up the garage cabinets. So as you can see over here, I have 3 cabinets on the right hand side. What I do is I remove the 3rd cabinet to make space for a workstation, and I attach the smaller cabinets on top. My dad was kind enough to give me a hand with it. So I attached 3 cabinets on top. On the right, what you see, the mark on the wall, is a sprinkler automation box. I removed it, and what I did was I relocated it above the cabinets. So I just get on a stool, relocate it. It was just on a couple of screws, super easy. I did not bother painting the wall where the mark is because it's going to be hidden behind. So here I attached the 3rd top cabinet, and then I marked the studs. But now the problem is that switch or the plug that you see is right in the middle. So I cut a little bit of the back portion on the larger cabinet. So half of the plug is in the cabinet and half is outside, and it's still accessible. Now I could have done it better. I could have relocated the plug, but that was a bit too much work. This was easier. I just took an angle grinder and made space for it. After that, I decided to take a break, and the very next day, as soon as I woke up, as you can see, I'm in my shorts, I decided to put my 72-inch bamboo workstation over there. Now what I noticed was there was a bit of a flex, so just the 2 angles on the sides was not going to take it. The solution was to put a cabinet underneath it. So then that's what I did. So this is the finished product. I'm sorry for the mess on the side. That's just some wires. So you see up over there is the sprinkler automation box, which I relocated and placed it up there. So there's a wire that goes over there inside the cabinet, comes out over here and plugs there, and then there is a extension plug socket over there. That's what the clutter is, which I still have to figure out and mount it in a way where it's hidden. There's a bar stool that is temporarily there, but this is exactly what I wanted. So that's the 3rd workstation over here. So let's check out how the whole thing looks like as a finished product. So let's start over here. This was phase one. I did all of this, and then there was another cabinet over here, which was the third cabinet. So this is how it started. And then this was phase two. I still need to clear out this mess and remove that white closet. That's acoustic foam, which is a mess sitting on the floor. I have to install that for lesser reverb or echo. So that was phase two. And then this is phase three, which is the workstation over here, which majority of the time would look like this, empty. And then phase four was the flooring. And you will find the links to everything in the description below. I'm also going to put a playlist up so you can see the whole playlist, like one after the other, the whole garage remodeling. And hope you like my garage. If you like my garage, please give me a thumbs up. So now let me answer some of the very common questions, because I keep getting asked these questions over and over and over again. The first question is, what have I done underneath these? And the answer is, well, I haven't really done much. So these cabinets, even the big ones, even the ones at the bottom, they're all attached to the wall, into the studs. So I don't technically need the legs to go down there. If I remove the legs completely, these cabinets would hang on the wall like floating cabinets, and I don't really need legs. I could have actually gone for the look which was like floating cabinets kind of a look. I actually liked having legs, the look it gave of it standing on the floor rather than floating. It's just a personal preference, and so I put the legs. Now, as you see, there's a little bit of a step at the back of that wall. I was not able to put it on the floor. Obviously, all garages have a slant, a slope, so that the water goes outward. Because of that, I had these legs that wouldn't touch the floor at the maximum. So what I did was, I went and bought this at Home Depot. These are very commonly available on Amazon as well as Home Depot. What these do is they just are there so that you can put it underneath your sofa so that your hardwood floor does not get scratched in case the sofa is moved. What I've done is I've used the same thing, stacked them up 3 or 4 on top of each other and put it under the legs. They look like they're standing on the floor. The second most asked question is, how is this corner thing mounted? And it is mounted on that cabinet. If you can see over here, this is the bracket on which it is mounted. Similar, there's another bracket on this side as well. So on those brackets, there's a bracket on this cabinet, there's a bracket on this cabinet, and on which the corner bit is mounted. The most annoying thing is that I have to have this cabinet here and this cabinet over here. Otherwise, I cannot have that wooden corner piece there. If I put this cabinet over here and this over here, there's no way of mounting that. So there's a simple solution. Mount this over here, mount this over there, and then just get a piece of bamboo and cut it in an L shape, or just be innovative. There are a million solutions you could do. You could just put stands over there as well. But for me, it wasn't something that I was willing to put in the extra work, so I just had it this way. But if New Age did something, address that, where it could be mounted, that L-shaped corner could be used as a computer desk. But these are the two most common questions I get asked over and over and over again, so I thought that I would address them. There's one more video that is coming up with horrible sound, and I'm not saying that this video has the best sound, but I'm still working on it. But I hope that it has improved a lot from my previous videos. Give me a thumbs up if you think the sound's improved. compared to my previous videos. Also, if you're watching my previous videos, I would recommend watching it with subtitles on if you're not able to hear it. Next, we have a video on the RS3. I actually videoed it maybe 3 months ago, but I never uploaded it, never edited it because it was really bad sound. I'm still going to edit it and upload it with the horrible sound because I did put in some effort recording the video. You can watch it with subtitles on. I'll also add a link to that video. So sorry about that, but probably from the next video I will have rectified my audio completely and it would have been a lot better. Hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, then please do subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you later. Ciao.